So let's take an example with one species called quartz, which is very, very common. In fact, it can be found pretty much all over the world. And you probably heard of quartz. They're so common. So what are all the different varieties? They have about 28 or more varieties of quartz, depending on, as I said, color or opacity and things of that nature. The one that you probably recognize the most would be amethyst, which is typically purple. Or what about citrine, which is typically a yellow to orange color? We've got rock crystal quartz, which is colorless. Tiger's eye quartz, which is also quite popular and very inexpensive. And then we've got aventurine quartz, which is always mistaken for jade, and smoky quartz, and many, many more. So with all these different varieties falling into the same species, when we test any of these stones, they usually have the same general properties. And this is something just to bear in mind, because we don't always hear about the species name. We typically hear about variety names. So when it comes to ruby and sapphire, they are also like brother and sister in the same family, which is the corundum family, which is a corundum species. And we'll take a closer look at all of those, but there are, as I said, many, many species, more than 100 species today that are considered gem quality and that we use very frequently in jewelry.